Hi everyone, we're all stuck at home right now, so I just wanted to show you, should you have been so lucky as to receive some flowers recently, one of the things you can be doing is drying them out. I got a beautiful bouquet of roses recently, and these are all the petals. I've picked them off, literally I'm just pulling them off, leaving the leaves behind, so I end up and then literally just breaking them off. So where they're starting to dry out and you're seeing they're going brown, the further down you get, you'll actually get petals that don't have any of that on. And so many petals. It is lovely. There's lots you can do. Rose petals actually are edible. Some will be drying out themselves anyway that were on the outside. You can turn them into potpourri. You could crystallise them as well. Fresh ones we can certainly use in sponge cakes. Line the bottom of the tin before you put that cake mix in, and that will infuse a flavour, and then you can pull it out. You can put them inside ice cubes, so they look really pretty for a wedding, a christening, a party, baby shower, whatever. Lots of fun. But right now I don't have anything I need fresh ones for, but I don't want to lose all these petals. So I happen to have a dehydrator. If you don't, you could put them on trays outside. If it's hot enough where you are and dry enough. See, I'm in Austin, Texas, it's hot enough. Right now it's dry enough. But I'm going to just use my dehydrator. And I'm literally just going to make sure the petals go on here and that they're separated, so that I can actually dry them out. I'm going to do it on the very low heat setting, which I would use for doing herbs or anything like that. So here we go. That's one done, and I'll just put that back on there. Going to do the next, and I will happily show you what all of this looks like tomorrow when they're done. So I will have lots of dried rose petals, and it's going to be a lot of things that we're going to use them for. In cards, they're actually very nice as confetti on the wedding day. Whoops, let's put that one under. I don't want to catch those leaves. If I lift these around now, I can put these down on the bottom. There we go. So if you have a dehydrator, don't forget that you can use it for doing petals and herbs as well. You don't have to just use it for making your jerky or your fruit roll-ups. There's so many things that we can use our dehydrator for. So let me put that one on. So anyway, I look forward to connecting with you all later. I'll be doing a live run of some bread later on, but I just thought instead of just doing this, I would show you. Let me scoop all these down here, and I am looking forward to the projects that I will show you on Facebook Live over the next week or so that you can use dried rose petals for. And I'll put all these last ones on here. If you have any ideas as well, let's take that leaf out, I don't actually need it. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Almost tempted to leave that to dry itself. But if I was going to do that, I'd actually put those on separate trays so that I knew they needed longer, because it would need longer. But they would be very beautiful. These are real rose petals. I will actually be doing a craft very soon showing you how to make wooden roses. I know you've just had Mother's Day this past Sunday in the UK, but we haven't had it yet here in America. It is coming up in May. So dried flowers are a brilliant way to make something that's more permanent, and so are wooden flowers. So there we go. A few little leftover leaves, petals even. So I look forward to showing you how lovely they look, because they'll still look vibrant and nice. I'm going to just make sure I don't trap any of these. And I will set that going, as I said, on the herbs and spices setting of my dehydrator.